Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Next, we do first derivative for the both sides. And you got about ds over number 2 with the square root of s. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so I need to put about number 2 go to the left. This one we change into u. ds over the square root of s we change by 2 du. This one you got about u to the power of 3 over 3, and we put about c. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.